cake, bawal kainin ng may-ari. Yes. After singing the happy birthday song, sige go ahead, I'm just doing my ad-lib. After singing the happy birthday song, ang celebrant, hihipan yung kandila, hihiwa ng cake. Ang unang slice, bawal niyang kainin, kailangan itong ibigay sa pinakamamahal niyang tao. Bakit ang mag-asawa kakain ng unang slice? Because the cake owns by groom for the bride, bride for the groom. That's why the couple shares the first slice. The cake that they have here is what we call cake mapping. Kaya po yung sabi ko, the first one who introduced that in the industry is Mr. and Mrs. Dantes. Okay. Meron tayong normal na cake, icing cake. May matigas ang icing, fondant cake. May cake na walang icing, naked cake. At cake na baliktad, chandelier type. Bumababa po yun sa kisame. So, bago nila hiwain. So, that's the different kinds of wedding cakes. Alright. Dalhin nyo na yan dito, Jared at Ira. At dito nyo na sa gitna. Pamahal mo kay Ira, pakingin.